Here's another story about how hard it is sometimes to keep older vehicles on the road, where titling and registration for older vehicles sometimes is more difficult. This is a customer that has a old diesel truck. It's a Ram, and they originally had made some modifications to the emissions to get more performance, which is very common on diesel vehicles. And what happened is he put his truck for sale, and the emissions regulators for his state noticed the truck that was on sale and did some analysis of the photos and descriptions and found that the emission system had been modified. So what they told him is you have to turn in your plates and your registration for the vehicle, which he did. Then they told him that's not good enough. He has to destroy the vehicle, has to be crushed. What are the details of this story? Well, he received a letter from Department of Environmental Protection, and officials took issue with the deleted emissions equipment. He told him that his truck must be returned to stock or taken off the road. So he turned in his plates and decided he will only use it for off-road use, like on a farm or on trails. And they told him to make an appointment with the crusher. He actually had to bring his vehicle to be destroyed because of the fact it doesn't now qualify for emissions. And he put copies of all the letters and all the details. This brings up an important question. What's going to happen as older vehicles become needing to be repaired? And maybe all the parts aren't available. And if those parts are emissions related, technically it's no longer eligible for road use. It's not like if you break a window, you replace a window. Or if, let's say, you need a new oil filter, you put in an oil filter. Emissions equipment, if it's not restored to factory spec, can make the vehicle ineligible under emissions guidelines. Tell us what your thoughts about this, and is this a way where older vehicles are going to be removed from road use and can no longer be titled or registered?